In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change Instagram called Ringtone, okay? As usual, in this channel, we don't waste time. We just dive right into the content you are looking for, okay? Now, we are not going to go to Instagram directly, but we locate the settings app. Make sure you follow every step here so you don't make any mistake, okay? Then, after opening settings, depending on the phone, you want to go to notifications. In Infinix, it is notifications and status bar, but in most phones, you will see it is notifications. So just tap on notifications on status bar. Then here you will see various options here. There are options for more settings, status bar, sort by time, and everything. And when you scroll down here, you will see the apps, the various apps. Now we are looking for Instagram app, okay? If you cannot see the app, just use the search bar there to search for the app. Okay. Now we have Instagram. We'll just select it. Okay. Now, if you can see here, I have various options here, but what we want to click on is notification style. Okay. Let's just do it. Then we'll tap on video calls. As I have already mentioned, make sure you follow every step here so you don't make any mistake. Okay. Now just tap on video calls. Okay. Then tap on sounds. From here, you can choose the sound that you want to set as notification. Okay. There are various sounds there. So this is how this is how you change your Instagram call ringtone. Thank you guys for watching. If you found value in this video, please make sure to like it and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Until next time, peace out.